box from GameStop with a bunch of Luca Pops in it. So let's get cracking. Hey, all my explorers, and welcome back to Loren's Adventures Out There. And if you're new, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. My name is Loren, and I'm with Castles, Capes, and Clones, where we discuss everything in the Disney universe. We do hauls and unboxings, pins and pin tags, Disney news and Disney reviews, and more. So if you are like that kind of content, then please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Okay, so today we have a few Luca Pop vinyls that I was able to get my hands on. They seem to have disappeared, and I don't know what happened, but I couldn't get Luca in either form to save my life. I'm hoping to get them in different ways, maybe eBay or Mercari. So anyway, here's the ones that I did get. So let's start off. I have no idea what order it comes in, but this one, we'll start with this one. This one, if I don't hold it upside down, and go ahead and open this up. Let's seal here. Okay, sorry, I didn't see the tab on the bottom. Okay, so this first one is Alberto, on land. Look out, he's got, look at that expression on his face. Anyway, he's number 1054, and there's a side. Here's who you can get, and there's the side. Alberto Scorfano, land. Okay, let's take a look at him. And he's got a stand because his legs are too thin as well. So make sure that if you're getting an Alberto to get the stand. Okay, let me just put this down here. And put this back in the box. So it makes it easier to dispose. Okay. Alberto Scorfano. There he is. I think that they do a really good job with him. I think that these guys are going to look pretty good because if you watch Luca, a lot of people have said that they look claymation, and they do. And I think that that's kind of a special part of it. Look at this expression, those teeth, they're amazing, and his pompadour, look at that pompadour, and the little tuft of hair in the back. It's so funny. This is what he looks like in the back, and from the side. Very cute. I like this guy a lot. Okay, so the next one that we have is this one. And we'll go ahead and open it up. Find out who's inside. This one is Alberto Scorfano as a sea monster. And this is number 1056. Again, those are who you can get. And that. Okay, so let's take a look at Alberto Scorfano. And he also, oh no, he does come with a stand, but it's built in. And this is what he looks like. How cute is that? And he's got kind of the same expression that he has on land, but less smarmy looking. Those teeth. And see, he's on a stand because he's swimming. He's got his tail over there, and this is kind of like a pompadour. The back. And the side. And another look at him. Let's take a closer look. Very cute. I like it. And the final box we have here should be Guilia. But let's go ahead and open it. Yep. It is Guilia Marcovaldo. Guilia Marcovaldo. Number 1052. And we'll go again, back, who you can get. Guilia Marcovaldo. And with Machiavelli, the cat. So let's open this one up. Okay. Come on, you can do it. All right. She's got a stand as well. Machiavelli is connected to her. So we'll go ahead and take a look at her. Okay. And here she is, looking very cute. She's got a great expression on her face, but you see how Machiavelli is just connected to her at her leg. She's got her striped shirt on and the jeans that fold up. She's got her hat on here. There's a side of Machiavelli. That. And back to the front. Take a closer look. Very cute. All right, I love this. You know, for those of you who know me, you know I love this movie. It's one of my favorite Pixar films now. I've watched it literally hundreds of times. I mean, I have watched it quite a few times. I kind of put it on in the evening and just watch it. Enjoy it so much. So I'm happy to have these. I'm sad not to have any of the Luca ones, but once I get them, which I will let you know, and we will look at Luca on this show. Anyway, if you enjoyed yourself today, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and do like this post, please. It really does help us out. Visit us on all of our socials below. Visit us at our website at www.castlescapesandclones.com. Again, thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you later.